Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to center text in word table. Let's get started. At first we have to open a word document with a table and text. Now we can see here a table. Now we center text in this table. At first select a column. Now I select the last column on this table and go to the home menu and click the center align. Now we can see here in this column text are center align. Now we select the whole table and click the center align. Now we can see here center text in this word table. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.